Today we are working on Excel Lesson 2, the 12th and final lesson, adding color to the worksheet tabs. So this is a document you should have opened up. Select the Quarter 1 worksheet. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Format, point to Tab Color to display the color palette. Note the color palette can also be displayed by right-clicking the Worksheet tab. Click Blue in the Standard Colors. So standard colors, blue is right here. Notice how the worksheet tab now shows a blue gradient shade, darker at the bottom of the tab and becoming white at the top. Click the Quarter 2 tab. Notice how Excel now displays Quarter 1 tab with the full blue background. The Quarter 2 tab does not have any color, so it only shows a colored line at the bottom, showing it right there. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. If necessary, select the Quarter 2 tab, right-click, point to Tab Color, and pick Purple. Repeat this step for the Quarter 3 and Quarter 4 tabs, picking different colors. So I'm going to right-click Tab Color, and we're going to make it red. Right-click, Tab Color, and green. Your worksheet should look similar to the following example. So let's click on Company so you can see that it's got all of those 4 colors. So mark that as answered. Submit. This completes the last lesson of Lesson 2, adding color to the worksheet tabs.